Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. After a cloudy start to the day in the far eastern parts of the country, it's going to become partly cloudy later on, while we'll also see cloud cover bubbling up over the western interior where a few thunder showers could also develop. It'll be mostly clear and dry for much of the Highveld, including Gauteng, and as the low pressure system travels along the south coast, it's going to pull down hot air from the interior towards that coastline, and we're expecting berg winds to result in some very high temperatures all across the southern parts. Along the west coast, cooler air will be reaching the area later on, and that could also bring in a bit of fog along with it. A warning has been issued for today for a high fire danger all across the western parts of the country. That's mainly due to the very high temperatures expected in the region for today. Let's move ahead to the rainfall map, and there we see very isolated thunder showers extending into parts of the Northern Cape this afternoon. Otherwise, it's going to be a rain-free day for the rest of the country, except for a couple of light showers possible at first along the north coast of KZN, and that will include Richards Bay. Moving ahead to your temperatures, and it will be warm to hot across the northern parts for today, although Ermelo remains mild, but certainly warmer than what it was yesterday when temperatures remained below 20 degrees. It's going to be a warmer day in KwaZulu-Natal, and in particular for the Eastern Cape, where we're going to see most areas getting above 30 degrees. Towards the coastline, it's going to be windy, especially for East London, averaging at 50 kilometers per hour. That's also going to result in very choppy sea conditions. Towards the southern interior, extremely hot conditions develop across this region. Oudtshoorn peaks at 43 degrees Celsius. Towards the coastline, it's also going to be a hot day, and we have easterly to southeasterly winds along the Garden Route coastline, and we also have a swell coming in from the east with a height of 2 meters. The Northern Cape interior can expect some very high temperatures, Prieska and Calvinia both getting to 39, while it's going to be a much cooler day today for Alexander Bay, reaching a maximum temperature of only 24 degrees. Southerly to southwesterly winds for Langebaan and Cape Town, and those winds will increase in strength later on, pushing in cooler air from the Atlantic. Let's take a look ahead to tomorrow, when it's going to be much cooler over the Western Cape. A better chance for thunder showers extending from Uppington all the way through to East London, while for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, it's going to be a mostly sunny and hot day. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday.